So we'll be starting with a bodice pattern. I've drafted my bodice pattern. So the next thing to do is to determine the neckline, the length of your neckline. I'll be using 3 by 3 for this. You can decide to use any one that you want, any neckline that you want. So the next thing now is to take the measurement I want is there already, and to this part I've added 1 inch. I added 1 inch to it, and to this down part I added 2 inches for that allowance to the waist part. Take note of that. To the waist part I added 2 inches, and up here I added 1. But if you don't want to add anything, just take note that you've not added any allowance on your pattern. So when you are cutting on your fabric, you add every necessary allowance, or you will take your body measurements. Okay, so the nipple to nipple measurement, or the bust span I'm using is 3 points. I'm supposed to use 3.25, but because I'll be adding allowance, I'll be adding that of 1 inch on both sides. So to that 3.25 I'm adding 1 inch, so I'll be taking 4.25. I'm taking 4.25. Now to determine where this 4.25, sorry, to determine where this 4.25 is stop, that is wherever you want your pleat to stop. Wherever you want your pleat to stop. So for this one, I want my pleat to stop around 6.5. I want my pleat to stop around this place. So this is where I'll draw my dart line to. This is where I'll draw my dart line to. So this is my dart line. Now on this dart line, remember I said I'll be taking dart of 1 inch on both sides. So 1 inch on both sides. Then like this, and like this. So this is the dart I have now. This is the dart I have. So on this upper part, determine how wide you want. Here, determine where you want your dart to be. So for my own, I want it to be at 1 inch. Determine where you want your own to be. It may not be up to that, and it may be more than that. So here, take 1 inch outwards like this. You can take 1 inch, you can take ½ inch. So join it like this. So this is what we have. So I'm opening up this. I'm opening up the dart. Make sure you don't cut through. Open up your dart, then here cut out your neckline like this, and cut this like this, like this. I'll be moving my pattern so that, then like this. Make sure you don't cut through. Make sure you don't cut through, but cut as much as possible to the meeting point. Now you will close up the dart. Close up your dart. When you close up your, this is not opening very well, so I still need to open this place. I still need to cut this place a little. So I'll close up the dart, and this will open up. This will open up when you close up the dart. So the next thing to do is to close this up. I'll use my sellotape. I use my sellotape to tape it up. So I've taped it. Then this side you will fill it up. Fill up this side. Fill up this side. Tape it. Tape it. Tape it. Now here, check what you have here. So this is 1.25 that I have here. So half of 1.25 is 0.75. 0.75. Extend it up a little. Then make something like a V. Like this. Like this. Make something like this. Up here. Then cut. So this is what we have now. This is the pattern we have. So this is what you will use to cut your fabric. When you fold this, it will look like this. This is what it will look like. Can you see it? This is what it will look like when you fold it. So when you are sewing, you sew like this. So when you are sewing, you sew it like this. You sew it like this. Thank you.